Hi babes! Today I want to show you guys how I prep my skin before I apply makeup or before I record my makeup tutorials. So I don't want to talk too much. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna clean my skin. Normally I use like the baby body wash type of thing, or I use the L'Oreal Sugar Scrub peeling. It's with kiwi and it smells so woo fuck. It really smells so good and it also tastes good. But today I'm just gonna use like a baby body wash type of thing. I have to use the baby kind ones because I feel like there are not so many chemicals in there. And yeah, I have my bowl here with water, so let's make my skin a little bit wet. Sorry, but my bathroom is not fancy at all and it's so tiny. I can't put all my lights in there, and yeah, so I need to film it in the living room. Please keep in mind I always wash my hands before I touch my face. My skin is pretty wet now, so I'm gonna use the baby shower gel or body wash whatsoever. To be honest, I only use this kind of brand. It's the cheapest brand in the drugstore, so you don't have to use like a fancy one. And I really like the smell. It smells like, I don't know, a little bit like babies. So oh, I really need like the spin brush, but I can't find it anymore. And now it's time to take it off. So I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna do. I don't know how to do a well fancy tutorial. Oh. Fuck it, I'm gonna wash my face, so okay, just give me just give me a minute, I will be back. So I'm back. And let's move on to my secret weapon. It's a detox mask. I'm gonna show it to you guys. So I'm gonna open it for you guys so you can see it how it looks. I'm gonna show it to you guys why this is my favorite mask ever. I don't know if you can see, but I do of course have a lot of redness and I have pores. A little bit bigger pores than you can see. And of course I have a lot of blackheads. Please ignore my bushy brows. I have to pluck them again. But you can see my skin. You can see my pores, you can see my redness. You can see all of that. Now, let's check it out after I have applied the mask. Love to apply the mask with this one. It's a Sigma S01. It's like with the silicone brush, and I swear guys, this is the best brush to apply any kind of matte mask. I swear it, guys. I love this brush so much. I know you guys can't really see it because of all the lights, but I do have some redness in my face. And I don't know about you guys, but every time when I have my period, I do get a lot of breakouts, and I do have many left from my last period, which was last week. So I do have a lot of scars from the breakout. I know, like I said, you can't really see it because of all the lights, but like I said, I do really have some. My skin gets really dry this time of the year, especially here. Don't ask me why, but my skin really gets dry this time of the year. Oh, I have a little bit here. I love to apply it all over my face, but you can also just apply it in your problem area. So let's go. Here you can, you can see how smooth this brush is. I really like the smell of this mask. It smells a little bit like lemongrass because there's lemongrass inside this. So that's why it smells just like lemongrass, a little bit fresh. Me gusta. But most of the time, like I said, I always get like pimples when I'm on my period. And this side is more awful than this side. My birthday was last week and my skin was awful because of my period. The But this mask saved my life. You will see the results afterwards. Oh, I love to apply this mask. And I have to say, this is the first mask ever where I can see a difference right after the first application. Because most of the time all these masks give me like a little bit of glow and that's it. But this mask, I swear you guys, is, like I said, my secret weapon. And also the good thing is, it's not that expensive. And what I totally forgot, you guys can save 25% off with my code Aylin25. And no, I don't earn money from that. And now it's time to let it dry. Mask dries really fast, so it just takes around 15 to 20 minutes till it's fully dried, but it also depends how much product you put on your face. So it's time to let it dry. But while I'm waiting till the mask completely dries, I'm gonna do a little Q&A. So I just asked you guys on Instagram to ask me some questions, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm very mad at you. Please keep that in mind. Okay. Are you engaged? Nope. Still not. But I'm waiting. Who do you live with, or do you live alone? I live with my parents. What are your top 3? Fun fact, I cannot pronounce the number 3. It's so hard for me. 3. I just can't. Oh, I can't laugh so much. Where are you born in the US? In Riverside, California. Why are you going to move to LA? Work simply because you want, or something else? I'm not moving to LA. Sadly not. I'm just going on vacation for 2 weeks. But that's it. But I wanna live in LA. Like, really wanna live in LA. You guys, I need to stop talking because this mess starts so dry. And I cannot speak so well. So we're gonna see us when the mask is completely dried out. I just want to show you guys something. Let's zoom in. Did apply a little bit too much product, but can you see all this fat coming out of my pores? Like, it's so disgusting. So here you can see all the pores. Sorry, I could watch it all day long. Oh my gosh, I can't sleep. My face feels really tight at the moment, so can you see my nose? Oh my gosh, it's so disgusting. I'm gonna remove the mask and we're gonna see us in 1 second. So I just washed my face and it feels so good. I'm gonna zoom you in, guys, in a second. But I just want to apply some moisturizer. One of my favorite moisturizer is from Sheseido, WASO. This was a gift. I never bought it myself. And to be honest, it's really expensive. I think like 50 euros, I'm not sure. But I also love to use this one. It's from Hello Buddy. The Coco Day Detox Daily Detox face lotion. Because we're fancy, we're gonna use this one. Love the texture. Texture of it. And now it's time to zoom you in, guys. Oh, I just want to show you my pores again. Where them at? Where? Look how small my pores are now. I mean, just look at it. You can also see my redness is almost gone and my blackheads. I mean, just look at my blackheads. Just compared with the other video. Here you can see the end result again. So this was my how I prep my skin before I apply makeup or before I record my videos. These steps give me freshness in my face. No, my English is not perfect at all, but I hope you guys liked my video. If you guys like it when I speak, just give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Endless love and kisses. Bye bye.